Puhon is a native Cebuano word. That's why it follows the U and O rule. The U is in the first syllable while the O is in the last syllable. Puhon has also been the talk of the town these past few days. People are reacting to the different meanings of Puhon by the two Miss Universe candidates from the Visayas and Mindanao.
It means hopefully.
Puhon is translated into someday, soon.
And somebody took notice of the differences.
Puhon is actually soon. It's not hopefully.
When we say Puhon in Cebu, we mean something we are hopeful to happen in the future. We usually say, Puhon maluoy ang Ginoo. Hopefully with God's grace. So in Cebu and nearby areas, Puhon is hopefully, while soon is dili madugay. And unta is supposedly. Unta gituduan tang daan magbinisaya samtang gagmay pata. Unta also means may something happen. Maayo unta tuduan ang mga bata pag binisaya. Or unta is would like to. Unta kita na puhon. As I mentioned in the introduction of Cebuano lessons on this channel, the Cebuano language is characterized as a dialect continuum, meaning some words from Cebu may have variations as the word is moving farther away from Cebu. Take the case of namok in Waray for mosquito. It's lamok in Cebu and other Cebuano-speaking areas. People in Butuan and the rest of Caraga region also speak Bisaya or the Cebuano-based language but with few variations like waya for wala. By saying Puhon is soon, Butuan girl is not totally wrong.
Because when you say Puhon in God's perfect time, or you mean that you want to do something soon, to come, hopefully is unta. So the context is, join unta ko og Miss Universe means I hope to join the Miss Universe. But if it means that ma-Miss Universe ko Puhon or mag-Miss Universe ko Puhon, it means that I will join the Miss Universe soon. And if she's meant to say that she wants to win the crown, she can say, ma-Miss Universe unta ko Puhon, which means hopefully soon.
She is referring Puhon as something to happen soon, just like what the two candidates have expounded.
It's a word that we use whenever we talk about something that is going to happen in the future. Like, I'm going to join Miss Universe Philippines, Puhon, hopefully, with God's blessing.
And it's something that inspires me, it gives me hope, it makes me look forward to the future. Puhon. Sometimes you use it na, kita rata puhon, sabay rata puhon. So someday, and that's something that I look forward to.
Unta, di mo malimot pag-subscribe sa akong channel aron Puhon, makaton mo og dugang leksyon sa Binisaya. Daghang salamat, maradyaw og tiyada nga adlaw. Ako si Jun Tariman.